Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down exactly how ElevenLabs turns simple text into realistic, expressive speech. If you have ever wondered how AI voice generators go from words on a screen to human-like voiceovers, this video is going to walk you through step by step. And of course, make sure to hit like and subscribe if you enjoy these tech deep dives so you don't miss future content. First, you start by inputting your text. This can be a short phrase, full script, anything you want narrated. Once the text is entered, ElevenLabs begins by pre-processing it. That means things like converting numbers, dates, or abbreviations into spoken-friendly form, handling punctuation, and making sure the text is speech-ready. Next, linguistic analysis. The system converts the normalized text into phonemes, the smallest sound units that make up spoken words, while also analyzing the structure, punctuation, and context of your text to understand where pauses, emphasis, and tone should go. This helps the AI grasp how the text should sound, not just what it says. Then comes the magic, the AI's neural speech engine. Trained on vast amounts of real human speech, deep learning models in ElevenLabs synthesize audio by mapping those phonemes, plus the intended rhythm, pitch, tone, and emotion, into smooth waveforms. The result is speech that doesn't just read your text. It performs it with natural pacing, emotional nuance, and lifelike inflection. If you want, you can also pick a voice from the system's library or even use a cloned voice. With voice cloning, you upload a short real voice sample. The AI analyzes the speaker's vocal characteristics, pitch, accent, intonation, and builds a digital replica. From there, it can speak any text in that same voice. Ideal if you want consistency across projects or a custom narrator voice. Finally, once the audio is generated, you can preview it and download as MP3, WAV, or other formats. Then it's ready to drop into your video, podcast, audiobook, or any project. So that's basically how ElevenLabs works. Text input, pre-processing, phoneme and context analysis, neural synthesis, optional voice cloning, output audio. It's fast, powerful, and with the right voice choice and settings, it can deliver voiceovers that sound incredibly natural, like a human narrator did the recording. If this helped you understand how AI voice generation works under the hood, give this video a thumbs up. Want more AI tool breakdowns or tutorials like this? Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss them. Thanks for watching. See you next time.